Big Fudge Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit, complete 4-in-1, includes ultra soft velvet record brush, XL cleaning liquid, stylus brush and storage pouch. Will not scratch your records. Why Big Fudge? There are numerous products for record collectors on the market today, yet Big Fudge stands out. Recognized globally by new and old vinyl fans alike, Big Fudge offers a professional solution for your cleaning needs. As passionate collectors ourselves, we know that only the best will do for your collection. All-in-one solution, clean dust, dirt and fingerprints using the anti-static velvet brush in combination with the cleaning spray. The included stylus brush will remove any particles off your record player's needle. We thought of everything. XTRA large cleaning fluid, the included 50 ml bottle should last you quite a while. Stylus cleaner, cleaning the stylus needle has never been so easy. Try out our stylus gel or stylus brush that will lift the dust off the needle in a matter of seconds, ensure slower performance degradation and improve the longevity of your records. At home or on the go, keep your record cleaning essentials in a safe and dust-free space. Whether you're jamming out on your home setup or dragging crates to your next DJ gig, keep this kit close to your records. Join the Big Fudge family. We share your passion for vinyl. Of course, you want to ensure the quality of your collection for years to come. We want to offer you the top products for reliable cleaning, professional storage and flawless display of your records. For efficient protection of your big and small vinyl, we're the expert choice for preserving the life of your record collection. Ultra soft brush for your vinyl. The high-quality record cleaner brush is sure to become a favorite for maintaining your collection. The brush features a curved handle for a stable grip while cleaning. The soft velvet surface will help prevent scratches to your vinyl. Brush for your record player stylus. Make sure your record player needle is clean and protect your vinyl to enjoy the best sound quality. Use the stylus gel to remove any dust off your stylus before dropping the needle and jamming out to your favorite tunes. Combine the products from our expansive range for the care your favorite music deserves.